In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your front outer tie rod on your Kia Soul. It's located behind your front wheels. I'm going to use a 21mm socket, take off the front wheel. I'm going to start by taking out our cotter pin or our castle nut. Sometimes you get lucky with a pick to get these out. If not, you just zip it off the nut. All right, you're going to use a 17mm and take off your castle nut. All right, you're going to want to mark your tie rod for alignment purposes to make sure that when you put the new one on, it matches up. All right, you're going to use a 24mm wrench on the nut and a 22mm wrench on the square part. I'm going to break that free. The jam nut. All right, after you get your castle nut off, you're going to want to give that a few whacks to see if it comes out. All right, so as you're unscrewing this, you're going to count how many turns, full turns, you do, so that when you put your new one on, you're counting the same amount back. Another way to do it is you can count your threads, whatever's easier for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, so now we're going to turn it 14 times, 14 threads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So now we're going to put this back into the knuckle. All right, we're going to snug this up a little bit before we torque it to 25 foot-pounds. So when we're torquing this, we're going to try to aim that cotter pin hole through the castle nut. And we're not going to loosen it to find the hole. We're going to keep tightening it till we have a hole. So that's about 25 foot-pounds. We're going to go a little bit more tighter. To line up our hole. Push the cotter pin through. And bend that one around it, and then you cut this part off. you go. All right, you're going to use a 24mm wrench on your nut. You are going to use a 22mm on your tie rod. And you're going to jam the nut up against it to keep it from moving. Now that that's done, you can put your wheel back on, take it for a test drive, and then take it to your local alignment shop and get it aligned. All right, we're going to put our wheel back on. Start our lug nuts. Use a 21mm socket. You're going to snug these down in a star-like pattern. Now that we have the vehicle on the ground, we are going to torque our wheels to 80 foot-pounds with a 21mm socket. We're going to do this in a star-like pattern, and then we're going to check it again.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.